This is exactly how much YouTube paid me for the month of October. If you're monetized here, you should be able to understand that starting from on the 21st to 22nd to 26th of the month, that is the usual time YouTube actually sends your payment. And on this my channel, I promise all to be sharing with you guys how much I get every single month. And this my channel, I really don't post consistent anymore due to a lot of things going on, but I'm still surprised with how much YouTube finally paid me, most especially this my October. One thing about this whole YouTube payment is for the month of August, YouTube is not going to pay you what you earn in that August. They're going to be paying you for the previous month. So for this October, what YouTube actually paid me is what I earned last month, that is September. So obviously what you're going to be seeing is how much I made for the month of September with my small amount of subscribers and my small RPM and CPM. Yes, because every single thing in details, I'm going to be sharing them with us. Okay, try your best to make sure you pay attention. And if you've ever wondered how much does YouTube pay small YouTuber, pay attention also. Okay, and with that much being said, let's delve straight into my YouTube studio. So, hi my loves, and welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Life of Princess Chiamaka. If you are an old subscriber, thank you for always tuning in to watch my videos. And if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. Okay, so with that much being said, let's go straight over to my YouTube studio. So I'm just going to go ahead from this estimated revenue here. Let's quickly go over to my revenue for the month of September. Yeah, for the month of September, first of all, these are my top earning content. Yeah, this particular video made me $10, which is mind blowing. This other one here made me $3. This other one made me that is $2.56 and a lot. So this was what I actually earned, $25.16, which is crazy. Like if you can look closely, you can even see it 5% more than what I actually earned for the month of August. And what shocked me the most is that I didn't even post many contents for that particular month of September. And same thing is also affecting me for the month of October. Like I've been really inconsistent because of a lot of things that is going on. Because one thing about this whole social media stuff is whatever thing you're facing real life, nobody know. Like we literally don't have idea. We only know what you come up to the camera to share with us, but a lot has been on, and that also contributed to part of the reason why my earnings on this particular channel is actually low. Now imagine how many videos did I even post for the month of September. I think this particular first video here, I didn't even post it that September. I think I really can't remember, but just check it out. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Yes, just 5 videos, and I was able to earn these. And these videos did not even really perform all that well. Now, imagine I had posted more. Maybe I had posted like 20 videos. Baby girl should be earning maybe close to $80. And I think for the month of November, we are going to be taking this channel much more serious. So now let's talk about this whole earning. First of all, a lot of things affect how much you actually earn here on YouTube. Apart from me uploading less, also another thing that contributes is where my audience are coming from. Because on this particular channel, majority of the people that actually watch me are mainly Nigerians, my country people. Yeah, then after Nigeria you have Ghana, you have Cameroon, Uganda, and a lot of other African countries. And our CPM is actually very very low. The CPM of the audience from Ghana is very low. Cameroon, just any African country is very very low. But when you tend to have audience from UK, United Kingdom, USA, um Canada, and a lot of the top world countries, you tend to make more money because the CPM is very very high. And if you're still confused, CPM is what advertisers actually pay YouTube. Just like maybe I own a phone brand and I want YouTube to place ads on your video, you that is watching me. Yes. So what I'll just do is to tell YouTube, okay, for this particular phone and the adverts, I can offer to pay like maybe $10. Yeah, $10 depending on you, your audience, and your viewer where they are coming from. So have you seen that if you're having people from the UK, USA, you tend to make more money because me that is coming to place adverts on your video, I'm going to see your audience, and that is going to make me pay much more money. That is pay higher for the advert to be placed on your content. Am I making any sense? Yes. So YouTube itself is going to receive that my $10, then check out my channel and maybe give me $6. So that $6 is revenue per 1,000 views. That $6 is what YouTube is going to pay me for every 1,000 views I have. So let's assume that the $6 is for 1,000 views. So if maybe you tend to have like 500 views, $6 divided by 2, so you're going to get $3. Even if it's 100 views, that means it's $1. So have you been able to understand the whole RPM and CPM stuff? I believe you should by now. Okay, so what actually affected my earning, apart from the niche being a lifestyle niche, and that thing is also my audience geographic location, and lastly my inconsistency. See, the minute you get monetized, for you to make that money, you need to upload valuable content, upload more. Before I got monetized on this channel, I used to post back to back, but I don't know. Yeah, but by God's grace, every single thing is going to bounce back. So this is more like a motivation to you that is watching me. YouTube is worth it. Like YouTube is worth it. You can imagine how much I made for just posting how many videos, just 5 videos in 1 month. I posted 5 videos, and it's not even that these 5 videos actually go viral. Imagine one of these videos having 10,000 views, or even like 15,000 views. I would have made more. Some of these videos only had 1K. I think one of them self even had like how many views? Maybe like 400, maybe like 500 views or thereabouts. So YouTube is actually worth it. What you just need to do is to start. The process is not easy. Oh. Nothing good in life actually comes easy. Nothing. So the process is hard. Yes, it's hard. It's hard. But constantly doing that thing and trying to better every upload is what that matters the most. And if you're able to do it the right way, you're going to be glad you did so. So thank you so much for watching this particular video. And if you're interested to know how much YouTube has paid me for other previous months, because I am as well documenting each month's paycheck on this channel, do well to subscribe and check out all these videos. That is if you've not yet come across them before. And as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.